Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset our password in Wombo Dream. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Now all we're gonna look at is how to change or reset our password. At the top right next to dark mode, you will see a button like this that is settings. Click on it right now. From here, you will be redirected to this page. Do note that you can simply add your profile picture from right here, but right now, let's simply look at how to reset the password. At the very bottom, just below dark mode, you will see a button like this that is reset password. Click on it right now. And this thing will open up. As you can see, it is saying you will receive instructions to reset your password. Simply hit on send instructions. Now simply check your email. And guys, this is it. As you can see, I have received this email address. Now let's simply click on the link right here. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to this page. All you have to do is enter your new password right here and hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how we reset your password in Wombo Dream. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.